Do you want to speak English with more confidence and in a way that grabs attention? Idioms are the answer. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets behind the common expressions that native speakers use to make their conversations more lively and convincing. You'll learn how to make your language sound natural and spontaneous, helping you communicate more effectively. Get ready for a fun journey into the world of English idioms that will change the way you speak. Let's get started. Can you sweep it under the rug? Can you sweep it under the rug? My father has helped me deal with things instead of sweeping them under the rug. Pull the rug. Pull the rug. I'd love to up and quit my job, but I just can't pull the rug from under their feet like that. Keep your pants on. Keep your pants on. I will be ready in a minute, please, keep your pants on. Cut me some slack. Cut me some slack. I gave him what he wants, because I wanted him to cut me some slack.